Hello.
Yes.
Is this Mr. Rajendra Billaya?
Yes, Rajendra Balla here.
Yeah. Can I speak, sir, now? Can you speak in English?
Sorry?
Hello.
Yes.
I had a chance to read your blog.
Yes. You calling from?
I'm calling from Belgium, actually.
Okay.
I'm Indian, but I'm calling.
Okay.
I just have two questions, sir. If possible, you can answer me. That will really
Yes.
helpful for me.
Yes.
My sister having systematic scoliosis overlapping. I think they're calling kind of rheumatoid arthritis.
Okay. The
And
first one is systematic.
She's suffering for
first one you said systematic.
Systematic scoliosis overlap.
Okay.
That's the technical name they're given, but generally they're calling rheumatoid arthritis, one type of rheumatoid arthritis, I guess.
So that is a type of rheumatoid arthritis.
Yeah, that's what we generally call, but sometimes technically the doctor called.
There is no need for technicalities. All the diseases are caused because of one single reason. So there is this classification and all that is useless until and unless the treatments are different and they are effective. They have no treatment for any kind of arthritis. So why they kind of compartmentalize and give different names, hundreds of names for different things, that is meaningless. You getting my point? See, they have no cure for anything.
Yes.
Sorry. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, she's suffering for last 10 years. And I don't know the reason, because we having the healthy food from our childhood, and somehow after her studies, I think suddenly one day she got vomit, and we admitted in the hospital, and after some time they find that she's having symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, and from that we tried allopathic and different type of medicines from Ayush, and I think nothing get help.
Mm-hmm.
And the problem is she having a joint pains in the hand, in the fingers, and she got swelling sometimes when the climate is very cold due to the arthritis problem. So it's again autoimmune disease. So which means her fingers also got slightly bent because of the reason, because we are switched to different medicines.
Okay,
so
just a minute.
Really
when was it diagnosed for the first time?
I think it's on 2011, end of 2011 to be specific.
Okay, and what is the age now?
She's running 29.
Okay, just 29. So you mean to say at the age of 20? At the age of 20, she was diagnosed with arthritis.
Yes, after her postgraduate studies at her bachelor degree at the time, undergraduate, I think she suffered with this, and somehow she managed to complete her studies, and then she cannot do anything. Like we are taking care, and she is in home all the time. She cannot go for work or something.
Okay.
We tried.
Can I speak to her?
Sorry, sir. She is in India. The problem is I'm her brother. Mm-hmm. I'm residing outside, and she is staying at my home in India, back in India.
Yeah, but you can ask her to give me a call, because I will need to know her routine, like what she is eating, what she is drinking, and all that. I need minute details. That will take time, as well as you may not know exactly what she is eating and not eating. I need timing and all that. There is nothing called healthy food in the world. There is no. This word is wrongly coined. Healthy food there is nothing healthy. And people See, as far as I know, I think I should be able to reverse the arthritis within 3 to 6 months time. That's one, and she can see the results within 3 to 7 days.
Yeah, the problem is her fingers are more stiff and it's bent. We try to apply some oil or.
No need to do anything. No need. How much water she drinks?
That's the problem. She doesn't take much water. She take water whenever she feel thirst and after the meal.
After the meal,
But I think after you read your
after
Yes,
the
sir,
meal,
sir.
how much time after the meal?
After the meal, just one time, just a glass of water or less. I think after read your blog, she is not drinking that much of water or that
It is
in that
not. It is not.
frequency.
I am not saying that we have to drink lot of water. So maybe you have read something which I have written long back. But currently, what I follow is a entirely different thing, and hopefully, she should be satisfied within a week's time that she is on the right track. It does not take months, and this is a
She
pure
feel
cure.
weak.
Pardon?
Sorry, sir. Can you come back?
I am saying what I will be suggesting will be a complete cure. It is not her age to be
Yes,
suffering
sir.
from this disease.
The problem
So,
is it's not only the age, it's suffering for a long time. We couldn't bear, or she couldn't also bear for a long time. It's almost 10 years she's suffering, and no other medicine is cured completely, and
see,
she
there is
also
no
not get
medicine.
married by
Have
this time.
you seen any medicine or any doctor claiming that he is trying to cure her? See, if you look at internet, no medicine is there which claims that it cures. They say that we only slow down the progression of the disease. They don't claim to cure anything. So you are hoping against hope.
But there is a reason to stimulate the diseases, right? So because as I said that we are having a good healthy life from our childhood, and we had enough to eat fruits, vegetables, or enough the routine food what everyone have. But I don't know that at that
See,
small
that's
age
what I'm
how
saying. That's what
what
I'm saying. What you call healthy is unhealthy. That is the problem. See, you are saying fruits and
okay.
all that. Who says that fruits are good for health?
Yeah.
You read somewhere, and that's why you're saying that fruits are not healthy. The first thing I always tell my people, anybody who calls me, don't take any fruits at all.
Because that's from nature, right, sir? Without
Pardon?
any it's from nature, right? Like whatever we can call like apples. Maybe these days they are more stuffed with the
No, no, no,
pesticides.
no, 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 no,
But
no, no. That
but
is not the reason. That is not the reason. See, we have to understand one thing. We have to understand the working of the body as such. Simply saying that this is natural, this is healthy will not work. What are the things which are available in the fruit? Some minerals, some vitamins. Is there any carbohydrate? Is there any fat in fruits? No. Is there any protein in fruit? No.
no.
So how will it help? We need everything.
Yes.
And if you are overly dependent on fruits or fruit juices or those kind of things, this is going to lead to massive problem. People have gone into cancer also because of the fruits only.
Okay.
So they are
But sir,
life-threatening
just
diseases.
suppose she
Sorry.
can believe that she can curable at some
See, I
time.
don't believe that there is any disease on this earth which is not curable. Be it last stage cancer also.
Okay.
And I have, like, what results I get is shocking. People have been telling me that within 24 hours they get the results. If you want, I can deliver the results within 24 hours also. I would like to go slow in her case.
Yes, sir. I don't know Hindi, but I can follow your. After the read the blog, I just try to watch your videos on the YouTube. But
They are all
I
Hindi.
didn't know Hindi from.
Yeah, I understand that
that's the
part
problem.
because I have to
don't
deal with
speak-
people as if somebody knows Hindi only, then I'll be speaking in Hindi only. But
Yes.
but I can explain everything, and I can spend hours also explaining things. I am not in a hurry. I am not saying that you just follow what I am saying. You can spend 10 hours
Yes.
also with me trying to understand each and every statement which I make. I will explain logically, scientifically, everything.
Okay, well, that's okay. But anyhow, as you say that, maybe I can try to make a conference with my my sister.
Yes, otherwise
if
also
possible,
this is costing you.
then,
I don't know your cost and all that. You can ask your sister to give me a call. She can discuss. Then we can have a small conference wherein all three can be there. Let me first understand what is the routine, what caused her this disease.
yes, sir, sure. Because yeah, she studied well and everything went wrong in her life.
See, everything will be
couldn't,
set right. Everything will be set right. And I am not saying that it will take years. She will see the results within 7 to 10 days, or not even that. Within 2 to 3 days, she will know she is doing the right thing. Her pain will reduce within
okay,
10
sir.
days. If you want, like rest of the things are Hindi. So if I like give you some reference, it will not be much meaningful. There is a person, 51-year-old. He contacted for heel pain, knee pain, and acidity. No, not acidity. Heel pain, knee pain, and knee pain. He was like he went to the doctor. Doctor told him that it is arthritis, and the third thing is eczema. Right? On
Yeah,
there is an
yeah,
exercise for this thing sciatica pain. Okay. So I gave him the
okay,
exercise for sciatica pain. Within 4 days, he said there is a 80% improvement in the heel pain. Okay.
okay, sir.
Knee pain. Within 5 or 6 days, he said there is a 50% improvement. So what I'm
Yeah,
saying
but
is,
problem is her fingers are completely stiff because at one time of medication she taking, I think she take that for a long time, maybe an year or something. Then
what about
suddenly at
what
some
about
point, I think
steroids? Just the maximum damage is done by the steroids. Has she taken steroids for a long time?
I could be. That's what I believe, sir, because that's what most of the allopathic medicines contains.
See, that is the only thing which is the most dangerous thing, and that is what delays the
Okay, sir.
cure also. But if you are saying that whether I will be able to cure or not, then you have to have trust, and it's not a blind trust. You can talk to me for 10 hours, 20 hours, 30 hours, whatever you feel like. I do not want to treat a person who's having a normal problem. I only want to deal exceptional cases. So if you are telling that she is
Yes,
suffering
sir.
from the last 10 years, that will mean it is a challenge to me, and I like to take the challenge. I would like to make it as quick as possible. If you feel
Yes,
like
sir.
I
Because
get so
somehow
charged up, that I would like her to cure within 2-3 days time.
no, sir. I can pay there is no problem because you know that how much we paid different
I
type
know
of
you must have spent lakhs
hospitals
of
and
rupees. I know
that
you must have
doesn't
spent
matter.
lakhs of rupees. All I'm saying
Yeah,
is,
because
let
the
her
thing
speak
is
to.
for us, the thing is like if we born everyone, but the ideal thing is maybe if we suffer in the diseases in our late ages, like after 60s or something, then that could be a reason that we are get aged. Maybe that
See,
can be caused, but
you are going
one
on
is
the wrong
suffering by
track. You are going on the wrong track because you are saying that if we suffer at the old age, then it is okay. I am saying even if you are 200-year old, you should not suffer from any disease at all. There is no disease which is caused because of the aging. We simply look at the things in the wrong manner. That is why we suffer from diseases. We don't try to understand
maybe.
anything, and all the medical science is going wrong. The whole of the medical science, all the pharmaceutical companies needs to be closed today. They are doing only disservice to the mankind. There is no use of any medicine. I am not talking about arthritis alone. I am talking about everything. Every chronic disease, every autoimmune system disease can be cured within 2 days.
But there was a reason to be generated, right? So within the body,
Sorry?
for same person in a same
See,
family.
what do you think by
For me, I
autoimmune
think there
system
is no.
problem? Do you understand anything
I
by
think that
autoimmune system problem?
usually, basically, I know that usually the white blood cells in the blood will help to fight against some diseases or viruses which
It
affect
is
our
some and
body.
some and some,
If
some.
that's not
Sir, it is,
responsive to the
sir,
diseases, what?
sir, it is some,
Yes, sir.
adding up to nothing. Somehow these cells fight against the good cells and all that stuff. But they are all sums only. It is all assumptions. There is nothing science, no science. Something is happening, somewhere is happening, and
There
all
is a
that.
reason, sir. But why
I'll tell you.
someone
I'll tell
suddenly
you.
get disease?
I'll tell you why a disease happens.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
There are certain personal things which you may not ask your sister. So either your mother or sister, if she calls up, that will be better, because there are a lot of other diseases also. There are other health conditions also she must be going through. When I am explaining things, okay, I'll tell you. See, every disease okay. Uh, the basic cause of disease, whatever we eat is converted into energy. Is that
Yes.
right? We eat only to
Yes, sir.
generate
In form
energy
of
and to
energy.
live.
Yes.
60 to 80% of the energy which is generated by the food is used up in our body internally. Our brain needs energy, our heart needs energy, our kidney, liver, digestive system, everything needs energy. If you're looking at something, your eyes are using extra energy. If you're closing your eyes, you are saving some
Yeah.
energy. Okay? Disease happens when
Okay.
there is not sufficient amount of energy in our body for the vital life functions of the body. There is a fight. Autoimmune
Okay.
system disease is nothing except for this thing only. Right? So the first thing is
Hello.
that there is no energy in the body. If your heart is not getting energy, the blood supply will not happen. If the blood does not reach your bones, the bones will not be healthy. So the basic thing is energy. Okay. So there are various means of increasing the energy. What
To
you
give
get,
the energy that we just try to give whatever needs for our routine food cycle, sir.
see, that
That's
is
what I
not
said, that
wrong.
we are not
That's what I'm saying is wrong. Eating is not
Okay.
important at all. We have been taught from class 1. There is a balanced food, there is a nutritious food, we need to eat this and that and nonsense. All the people, there is a common saying, people who are more health conscious become sick faster. People who have not learned even ABC of health, they are healthy. Okay.
Yeah.
Now coming back to the same thing, energy. What will happen if a person does not have energy? If a girl does not have energy, the first thing which will happen is digestive issues, gas, and the next thing is the periods will not be normal. It will be abnormal out of the place. If all this is happening, then her those systems are also out of range. It could also cause
Yeah.
migraine, headaches. It could cause constipation. It could cause various things, right? So, if she is suffering from
Yeah.
arthritis from the age of 20, it will not be alone. There must be 2, 3 other things also happening. Okay. Now, the most important role, more than food, is of the liquid. I'll tell you how. Have you heard about
Okay, sir.
diabetes?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you-
Yes, sir.
Diabetes
Yes,
is what? High blood glucose,
Yes,
right?
in the blood. Yeah.
In the blood. That
Yes.
is what the entire world knows. Even a 10-year-old person will know that diabetes means high blood sugar. Do you know high
Yeah.
blood sugar does not damage anything in our body? We die of diabetes
I'm not
when,
sure.
okay, we die of diabetes because there is no glucose for the cells. The
Mhm.
cells generate
Okay, sir.
energy out of the glucose which is supplied by the blood in the cells. The energy is
Okay.
created in the cells, not in the blood. Blood is
Okay.
only a transporter of nutrients to the cells. Okay.
Okay.
So the first and the foremost requirement for anybody to be healthy is blood supply. Now, how do you increase the blood supply?
Okay.
She, you said, is drinking water after the meal. Most of the cases, when
Okay.
arthritis happens, these people are drinking water after half an hour or 1 hour after the meal. And if that is happening
Okay.
from the childhood, that is the only cause of arthritis. She needs to drink 1 glass of water with 3 chapatis or equivalent food. If she is eating less,
Okay,
then
sir.
according,
From childhood, sorry for interruption. Childhood, when we go school, my mother used to give the water, a hot water. She completely boiled and she filter and she give it in the pit. So is that something not good to take a hot water from childhood?
Hot water drinking, or she was
The boiled water.
no, but she was taking boiled
For
water.
drinking.
No, she was drinking hot water.
From childhood, me and sister taking the boiled water, because that's what they believe that the boiled
This is
water.
a nonsense. This is a
good for
nonsense.
health.
It is not good for health. So that's what I'm saying. Whatever you're thinking is good for health, it is totally beyond any logic. It is totally useless. See, you don't have those problems. I can
feel that in India, the water come from the tap water coming from the government is not healthy, like it may contained because of several reasons. Not from the groundwater, but I'm saying that other the river water or whichever, it's not completely to take directly for the health. That's what the belief for.
No, just a minute. Are you saying that you used to boil the water, cool it down, and then drink, or you are saying you used to drink hot water?
Not completely the direct hot water, sir. Taking when we go school, my mother used to boil the water in the morning, and then she filter and put it in the pit, and then we used to drink the water whole day in our school time. That's what happened in our childhood.
No, but when you were drinking water, was it hot or was it normal, room temperature?
In room temperature, exactly.
So when you are drinking, then it is room temperature, then it is okay. Okay.
But she used to boil the water.
That is not a problem.
You should not take boiled water.
No, that is not much of a problem. That may have excluded certain essential minerals. See, there was a girl, 25-year-old girl, who called a few days back, maybe about 15-20 days back. She had acidity, and she was following my routines, and she was cured of acidity. But she said, I am having stomach pain, and I don't know what is the reason. For last 7-10 days, I was okay. Then I also I kept applying, thinking my brain that what has happened to her, why it's troubling her. So ultimately, I could not make out what is the reason. So when I could not make out the reason, then one of the reason is inflammation. So I said, you do one thing, you drink 1 cup of tea. She was not drinking tea in the regular course of things. Okay. She took 1 glass of tea and then she was okay. Then she called up again. She said, I forgot to tell you that we have installed AquaGuard yesterday or day before. So is it because of that? Then I told her the AquaGuard people set the PPI at 20 to 30. And that is the reason. Because earlier you used to get other water which used to have a normal PPI of about 400-500. So your body or your stomach is used to that. Now you're drinking 30, which is not healthy at all. The minimum PPI for drinking water should be about 200. The WHO standard about a few years back used to be 100 PPI. The MCD used to supply something like 125 or so. And
you are saying that we are not prefer to install a purifier in our home.
No. If you have AquaGuard, if you have ultraviolet rays kind of thing, different thing. If you are having RO, reverse osmosis, that is the most dangerous thing for the stomach.
I have RO.
It is not good. Okay. Unless until you are dependent on the groundwater and PPI is 900 or 1000, something like that. If it is well within 300-400, then it is okay. You can boil it and drink it after cooling it, of course.
Yeah.
So coming back to
from the river water, that's what they're supplying to the homes in my area.
River water, so that is the best thing. See, river water they are selling at 500 rupees per bottle per liter.
Mm. No, not that one, sir.
Anyway, let's leave that part. Now, what needs to be focused is whether you are drinking water with your meal or not. That is the only important thing in arthritis. When you used to, whether you are drinking 2 glasses of water in a day because your mother used to give while going to the school. So obviously you must be drinking at least 1 liter of water in a day. That is more than sufficient.
Okay.
So don't Don't kind of give me an impression by yourself that you are drinking less or more. You give me exact amount. I am suggesting people to drink only half a liter of water in a day, and they get cured within 24 hours.
Okay, sir.
So I need exact information when and how she is drinking, whether she is taking hot, cold, how much tea, because most of the diseases are caused because of the fluid and not because of the food. That should be clear. Our body has a
Okay.
mechanism of accepting everything in a right proportion. Our body will not allow anything which is out of proportion. So if you are eating healthy food every day, it will be thrown out of the body because you don't need the same thing again and again. There is a balance. You need everything. It is there is nothing like healthy.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying. So you need to eat up everything. You need to eat even the junk food also sometimes, so that your body is used to everything. People who drink only the mineral water, they'll get sick if they drink tap water. But people who drink tap water, they will never fall sick. So anyway, coming back to
Yeah.
this arthritis thing. So can you tell me exactly whether she used to or you used to drink water with the meal or after half an hour or 45 minutes after the meal?
We used to take a meal immediately after the meal. After finish the meal, immediately we take the water. That's what that's the practice, general practice. That's from our childhood.
How much was the meal size in her case? In terms of chapati,
In
if
general,
she's taken chapatis sometimes, so I understand because I'm from North India, so I understand chapatis, roti size and all that. So similar, if she's taking rice, even then you can tell me approximately how much, how many chapatis equal to.
maybe two.
So do you
Equivalent
think
of two chapatis.
do you think that she was eating enough for her age and height and weight? What is her weight?
Yeah, she already lose weight. She is below 40, I guess.
And earlier,
She's
how
below
much?
40.
At the age of 20, how much was the weight?
Hello.
Hello, at the age of 20, what was the weight?
I think at the age of 20, she is quite okay. I think she is 45 plus. She is 50. She is normal. She have a normal BMI.
Okay, what was her height? What is her
Only
height?
after 60 centimeters, 5.8 or 5.7.
5.7, so 170 plus.
Yes.
170 centimeters, okay. Okay, so for her height, even 45 is less. She should be minimum 55 or 60. If you're saying the
No,
right
sir,
BMI.
now she is below 40.
Any other
Now
condition
she
like,
is below 40.
any other health condition like liver and all that, liver, kidney is fine?
Yes, sir. We had a usual check. Those are all fine. That's the reason I think we stopped allopathic last 2 years because we feel that if we taking continuously for more time, I know that those medicines need to be taken for a long time and that will not be good for her health and especially for the liver and other functions.
Yes.
So that may affect, and we just go for the naturopathic medicine in Coimbatore. They called and we stayed in that the place, and then we had some mudding and then other kind of things. But it's also kind of the natural herbals. But anyhow, last 2 years she not taking allopathic, and I think after this COVID, these lockdown, we didn't have a chance to go to the doctor, which means she didn't take any medicines, but she don't have any problem. And but again, her hands are very stiff and it's completely bended.
Can you
Like
send
a
me a
curve.
photograph? Can you send me a photograph of the hands?
Yes, sir. To this number.
Yeah, you can send on this number. See, the problem started with her left hand middle finger.
No, sir. That I need to check with her specifically if you're asking.
Yes.
Or I can put it in a call.
It is better you put it on conference. You can put it on conference. I can hold it.
Okay, sir. If you want to do it now or?
Yeah, right now that's the right time for me. If that's okay with you.
Thank you, sir. Just a minute.
Hmm.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Hello?
Hello, yes. Have you, I wanted to ask few things
Hello.
about your routine.
Yeah, Nimmi, this is the doctor. I just
Yes, sir.
tried to find out on the internet, and he has some questions about your routine and your health, because I tell you your history, short history, that from how long you are suffering from this arthritis, and what type of medicines you are undergone such years, and what's your current condition, so that maybe he has some questions on this. I think you can answer in English better.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, can I speak?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You can speak,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, you may ask me, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, you can ask me, sir.
Okay. Do you drink water with the meals?
Sir, no, sir. In between the meals, I didn't take water, sir.
How much time after the meal you take water?
Sir, after 10 minutes or 15 minutes,
How much water do you drink after 10 minutes?
if I need water after food means, I will take minimum 50 ml or 100 ml, sir.
And after this 10-15 minutes, how much water do you drink?
Sir, 100 ml or 150 ml, sir.
What is your meal size? I understand, I'm from North India, so I understand chapatis or roti. So, how many, do you think, your food intake is average when you look at any other person of your age and height? Or you are eating less?
Sir, I took a normal food, sir. I took rice low quantity, sir. Low quantity rice only I will take, sir.
Okay.
And just tell you your routine meal from the morning to evening.
Yes.
Maybe how many grams? Maybe I think you take 200 grams in the morning.
Okay, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. Morning I will take 4 idli or 3 dosa.
Okay.
Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Then in between the time I will. At the lunch time,
Mm-hmm.
I will take 1 cup of bowl of rice, sir. Mostly I will take millet, sir.
Millet, okay.
Instead of white rice, I will take millets.
Okay.
Then 1 cup of sabji, sir.
Okay.
Vegetables.
Okay.
Then sambar, rasam, like, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Small quantity of sambar and rasam without the tamarind.
Mm-hmm. And
Okay,
after
sir.
that?
At the night, I will take at the night time, sir, I will take mostly the sprouts, sir. 1 cup of sprouts and banana.
Okay.
And small quantity of food, sir, like 2 chapati or 1 cup of goduma rava, only 2 dosas. Two idlis. Likewise, I will take, sir.
Do you eat anything
But for
between
long
your
time,
lunch?
you had only
Just a minute. Do you eat anything?
Timing, sir.
No. Do you eat anything between your lunch
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
dinner?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What?
Morning time I will take juice, sir. Fresh juice.
Mm-hmm.
Any one fresh juice without sugar and ice.
Mm-hmm.
Without sugar, ice. I take 250 ml of juice, sir. Fresh juice.
Mm-hmm.
Pomegranate or grapes.
Mm-hmm.
Evening I will take dates juice, sir. Dates juice.
How much? 250 grams. 250 ml.
250 ml, sir.
Okay, that is 2 juices in a day. And what about tea?
Tea, coffee, sir.
Yes, tea, coffee.
No, sir. No, sir.
0.
I will not.
What about milk?
I didn't consume. No, sir. I didn't consume cow's milk, sir. No curd, no milk.
No milk, no tea. No milk, no tea.
No milk products.
No milk products and no
sir,
tea and
sir.
coffee.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you think? How many times during the day do you eat or drink something? Total times. Like first thing you take juice, then you take breakfast, then anything between breakfast and lunch?
Yes, sir. One fresh juice, sir. Pomegranate or grapes, sir. Likewise.
No. One is there in the morning.
Pomegranate juice or grape juice.
One is in the morning.
Yes, sir. Between the breakfast.
So in a day you
Morning.
take, in full one day, 24 hours, you take 3 glasses of juice.
No, sir. She don't take any juices in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
Between the breakfast and lunch, by somewhere around 11 or 12, between 11 and 12, she take one juice. And again, in the evening, our usual tea time from between the lunch and dinner, I think in the evening by 5 or 6, she take the second juice from the dates.
Okay.
So only 2 juices in a day.
And what time is the breakfast time?
Sir, between the 9 to 10, sir.
And do you take anything before breakfast? Any water or anything?
Sir, before, based on the climate, sir, I normally I took the amla juice, sir.
Which
Amla juice.
Amla juice.
In this climate, yes, sir, amla juice.
Yes.
Without salt and
How much?
and ice.
How much?
I took amla juice regularly.
How much?
How much means?
The
100 ml to 150 ml.
Your digestive system.
But last 6 months I didn't take, sir.
Okay, your digestive system, do you think is a problem since beginning or after you had this health issue? How was your digestive system when you were 10-year or 20-year-old before this thing started?
Sir, after now my digestive problem is fully cured, sir.
What is cured?
Before this problem, I didn't have any digestive problem, sir.
Right now, you have any digestive problem?
At the age of 50, right?
Right now, do you have any digestive problem?
No, sir. After I come upon with this naturopathic food, like without milk products, no snacks, I was completely came out from this problem, sir.
Which
and
problem?
I didn't have any.
No, which problem?
No, sir, now I don't have any digestive problem.
No, earlier you had digestive problems.
No, sir, I didn't have any digestive problem.
No. He asking, before this, you have some digestive problems, right? After the disease is found out in the beginning.
In the beginning, I had this digestive problem, sir.
What kind of digestive problem? Acidity? Yes.
What kind of means digestive means? Because when we take allopathic means we had take all type of foods, sir. Like we don't know what to eat, what we don't know eat, because the doctor said that you can eat all items. Then they gave a medicine, sir. So we don't know at what time we have to eat, what type of food we have to eat. So after I come upon with the naturopathic, then I feel very good, sir. After I come upon with the naturopathic, like skipping non-veg, skipping milk products, taking full of vegetables and
Okay,
fruits,
sir.
I
Okay,
feel
you
very
just-
good, sir. And
with the whole time when you say the digestive problem, which means you have some gastric troubles, like
Constipation, loose
you
motion.
got some. Yes, she had
Hello.
have even menstrual cycle, I guess, right? For some years, you mean?
Hello.
enna
You don't have a menstrual cycle for some years, right? Periods
yes.
is not. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So there is no menstrual cycle for some years, and
Which
even
age? Which
she
age?
had a
Which age?
constipation.
Which age?
Just I like to talk her in language and ask her,
Okay,
sir.
okay, please,
Just a minute. நிமி உனக்கு வந்து அந்த பீரியட்ஸ் வந்து எவ்வளவு வருஷமா இல்லாம இருந்தது, பிளஸ் கான்ஸ்டிபேஷனா வந்து உனக்கு மோஷன் போகாம இருக்கிறது, சரியா? அது வந்து எப்ப
ஓகே.
நீ வந்து
அது
ஒரு
ஒரு 4 மாசம் தான் இல்லாம இருந்ததுன்னா
ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா போதும், புரியும், எங்களுக்கு கிளியரா தான் இருக்கு. 2-3 தடவை சொல்லாத, அப்புறம் அவர் பேசக்கூட, சரியா?
சரிண்ணா. இப்ப அந்த உனக்கு ஆர் எஃபெக்ட்னு சொல்ற இது இருக்குல்ல,
நீ மட்டும் சொல்ல, அவர் லைன்ல இருக்காரு. கான்ஸ்டிபேஷன் எவ்வளவு நாளா இருந்துச்சு? அதாவது ஆய் போகாம இருக்கிறது.
அது ஓகேண்ணா. அது வந்து சம்டைம்ஸ் வர்றதா. இப்ப நேச்சுரோபதி போனதுக்கு அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் கம்மியாயிடுச்சு. டைட் கொஞ்சம் மாறினாத.
நேச்சுரோபதியை விட்டுரு. நான் சொல்றது வந்து நேச்சுரோபதி முன்னாடி அந்த ஒரு 7 இயர்ஸ் 8 இயர்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ் மெடிசன் தான் எடுத்துட்டு இருந்தோம், மாத்தி.
அப்பவெல்லாம் ஒன்னும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்ல. முன்ன பின்ன ஒரு நாள் இருக்கிறத, வார்த்தைக்கு ஒரு நாள் 2 நாள் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். இந்த மெடிசன் மாறதான் வந்து அந்த மெடிசன்
menstrual cycle வந்து எவ்வளவு
அது
நாள்
வந்து 4 months இல்லாம இருந்ததுன்னா, ஒரு 4 months இல்லாம இருந்தது. ஹோமியோபதி ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டு இந்த மருந்து போகையில தன்வந்திரி போற வரைக்கும்.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, she's saying that I think for only for 4 to 5 months.
I had that problem.
Other than that, for constipations until. Sorry, sir.
At what age? 4-5 months.
At what age?
At the age of 20.
More or less a rough number, maybe how many years back?
At the age of 24.
After this
At
arthritis.
the age of 24, sir.
After arthritis, not before that.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Sir. At the time of arthritis.
At the time of arthritis.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what was your cycle period earlier, when it started at the age of, let us say, before 19, 18? What was was it 28 days exact, or it used to be earlier, or it used to be delayed?
No, sir. 28, mostly 29 or 30, maximum 28 days, sir.
Okay. And everything was normal? No pain?
Everything was normal, sir. Only that 4 months only I had that problem. Then automatically.
No, just a minute.
That was cured, sir.
You used to feel pain on day 1? You used to feel pain on day
No,
1?
sir, not that much of pain, sir.
Okay.
No, monthly once I had any one day on. So
Okay.
any one day only I feel tired, sir. Tired. I will take this.
Okay. Now, you have to do one thing. Take only 3 meals in a day.
Okay, sir.
Take only 3 meals in a day. So at the time of taking the meal, keep a glass of water with you. Keep sipping the water along with the meal. Hello?
No, sir, no.
No, I am suggesting you
No,
to.
sir, no.
We need to follow.
I am suggesting
In
you.
between, while I'm taking meals, I will not take water, sir.
But I
No,
am
no,
suggesting
he's
you.
saying he want to do the thing.
Hello.
Okay, sir, I will explain her, sir, no problem.
Okay. So she should take
Three
only.
meals.
In a day, 3 meals in a day, glass of water, and also we need to keep drinking while we eating.
Yes, and finish the water with the meal. So 3 meals in a day.
Sir, what's
and
the quantity of the water?
1 glass about 200 to 250 ml.
Okay.
And if you can send me photograph of her meal, like what she eats, like because you were saying dosa idli, I am not getting much out of that. How much is the quantity? So if you can send me photograph while she is having the meal, like just one photograph, so I'll get a fair idea whether she is eating less or she is eating okay. Okay.
Okay, sir, sure, I will send
That can
the
be sent
photos.
later on. That can be, but the main thing is that, see, I'll explain why I am saying 3 meals and why I am saying water. As I am saying, everything starts with
Okay,
the
sir.
blood circulation. The water that you drink with the meals goes in your blood. It increases your blood volume.
Okay.
Second thing is that what you can observe is that once she starts following this thing, that only 3 glasses of water in a day, no juices, no fruits, nothing. Only 3 meals and 3 glasses of water with the meals, nothing in between.
Yeah.
Follow it for 2 to 3 days.
And is there a time cyclic between the meals, sir, like
Try
8 hours or?
try to give a gap of about 5 to 6 hours in each meal. So as early as possible in the first meal. First meal could be 8 to 9. Second meal could be around 2 o'clock. 9 to 2 is 5 hours. And if she is having it at 8 o'clock, then she can have it at between 1 and 2. Otherwise between 2 and 3. So ideal time would be 8 in the morning, 2 afternoon, and 8 in the night.
Okay.
Now it looks like her energy levels are very, very low. So I would not like to put her on the 2 meals a day size. 2 meals a day will do wonders to her. It will increase the recovery size drastically. But for the first 7 to 15 days, I would like her to have 3 meals only. And with the 3 meals, only 3 glasses of water for the first 2 or 3 days. And then give me a feedback whether you see any improvement or not. Okay, that's one. Second aspect is she should walk for as much as she can, not more than 5 minutes. Maybe if is she comfortable walking or not?
I hope she go walk with my father.
No, she is comfortable walking. She can walk within the house. She does not need to go out of the house. If she is walking, then she should stop walking.
Okay, sir, I can walk, sir.
Okay.
I regularly I'm going, sir.
No, don't
but
go.
whenever
Don't go,
I feel
don't go.
tired or pain.
I'm saying don't
Okay,
go
sir.
for walking.
Okay, sir.
You have to walk within your house.
Okay, sir.
Every hour you have to get up and
Okay,
walk
sir.
for 5 minutes only. You should never walk for more than 5
Okay,
minutes
sir,
at a
okay,
time. Should never walk for more than 2 minutes,
Okay,
5
sir.
minutes at a time. After walking for 5 minutes, lie down in bed and
sir.
rest for 5 minutes. Okay. Try
Okay,
with
sir.
walking for 10 to 12
Okay,
times
sir.
in a day to begin with. Do these 2 things and tell
Okay,
me
sir.
after
Every
2
1
days.
hour. And how long we need to lie down, sir? After
5
walk?
minutes. 5 minutes or it can be more also.
5 minutes, na.
5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
The whole idea about this
Lie
thing,
down means just facing,
lie down in bed.
just flatten on the
No, whatever
lay down on the bed.
whatever she feels like. Side, I believe that side posture is better always, either side. But if she is
Okay,
used to
sir.
lying flat or whatever, that is up to her. Okay.
Okay.
This is supposed to increase the metabolic rate and the energy which is available for the vital organs. The health in the body is not decided how much you exercise. Exercise is no good for the body. The only thing which is good for the body is good health of the internal organs, your brain, your heart, your digestive system, and all these things. Once the health picks up in these areas, and the purpose of walk and rest is 5 minutes walk will not tire her out, and if she gets tired, she should reduce the 5 minute period to 2 or 3 minutes only. The idea is only to get the body started. Like it is just like starting the engine. And the moment the body warms up slightly, she has to lie down. Whatever energy is generated by the body by walking, that has to be used by the vital organs. Limbs health is not important at all. If your vitals are good, limbs will automatically be good. But if your limbs are good, your heart can be in a very sorry state of affairs. Okay. Most of the people
Okay.
think that the health of the limbs, like you are walking, you are doing other exercise, that is important. That is not important at all. If your heart muscles are good, nobody will kill you. You cannot have any disease. Your internal organs should be in the perfect health. And that is where we make the mistake. So the other aspect of eating only thrice and not more than is, I'll give you an example. Let us say you are cooking a vegetable. Hello.
Okay, sir.
If you are cooking a
Yes,
vegetable,
sir, we are listening.
okay. If you are cooking a vegetable, you will not put 25% of the vegetable to begin with, and 5 minutes later 25%, because that way the things will not get cooked evenly. The same thing is inside in the body. When you eat things, there are digestive juices, there are enzymes which will transform your food into a paste. And if you are doing in different times, let us say you are eating at 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock you are taking juice, the whole of the process is disturbed. It is just like cooking a vegetable or anything, any meal. If you're cooking a meal, then there is a process that you put it on the flame for let us say 20 minutes. Then you have to do it for 20 minutes. You cannot do 5 minutes later you add something, 5 minutes later you add something. The same way, digestive process is at least 4 to 5 hours. So in each meal you should minimum allow 5 to 6 hours. Now the second thing is energy level is low. So after you reach a basic minimum energy levels, which is about 7 to 15 days time, then you need to skip to 2 meals in a day. But while you go from 3 to 2 meals, you don't have to reduce the meal size. Rather, you have to increase the meal size. The idea is not to reduce the food. The idea is to allow your meal longer time to digest. So first step is,
How about the water, sir, by that time?
sorry?
How about the water intake by that time, sir, if you go for 2 meal?
Again, see, the whole thing
Second-
works on a hydration-dehydration principle in the body. I'll explain to you. Take a glass of water, add a spoon of salt to that, taste it. If you find salt is more, how will you reduce the salt? The most logical,
By adding water.
you add water to that, right? If you are feeling salt is less, then what you will do next time you are preparing water and salt, you will take lesser amount of water and the same amount of salt. The salt concentration will go up when you reduce the water. Now the fact of the matter is, whatever tests you get done in the labs, you will get no results in most of the cases. Does it mean you are not diseased? You are still sick. So that means they are not able to find diagnostics are useless. Now the best diagnostic systems are installed in your body. They know everything automatically. They are 24 hours, 365 days in a year working. They work on hydration, dehydration principle. You take, let us say, 2 liters of water in a day one. So whatever minerals or whatever things will be in excess, they'll get diluted. And it will be in the right proportion. Next day, you don't take any water at all. Or you take just half a liter of water. So what will happen? Whatever is less, that will increase in concentration. Now your body is not dealing, let us say your kidney is not dealing with every mineral separately. Looking at the entire thing, how much is the salt, how much is the calcium, how much is the potassium, it will decide how much water is to be taken out of the blood, so that you get the best optimum solutions. It does not decide everything separately. That is what the problem is. So if you take more on day one and less on day two, it will kind of strike a new balance. And that new balance will be 10 times better than earlier balance. Earlier balance is based on every day you drinking the same amount of fluid, same amount of food. never take same amount of fluid on any day in your life. If you're doing it, you are going to be sick sooner or later. So drink more on one day to less water like that. So currently, when you shift to 2 meals a day, on 2 days you have only 2 glasses of water. On 4 days you have 6 glasses of water. On 7th day you have 3 liters of water. Like that. It keeps changing every day. Not every day, but throughout the week it keeps changing. If you don't change your body's basic parameters, if you are into software, you understand everything has to be in the right proportion. Things are working in a particular software. It's the same kind of thing.
Yeah.
So the balance in the body can be restored within 48 hours. The first 24 to 48 hours will shock you because 70% improvement happens within 48 hours.
And how about the sleep, sir? If you go
Sleep.
by bed by 9 or 10, then it's 8 hours is fine?
Yeah, 7 to 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours is fine. Whatever is natural. If she is getting good sleep, it's good. No harm. But if she is losing weight, then definitely metabolic rate is not good. So the only thing is to increase the energy. The moment energy increases, when she is doing walk and rest, she is walking for let us say 5 minutes at a time, and she is lying down. But if she is not comfortable, that she has to decide. She should not feel like she has to walk for 5 minutes. If she is comfortable 3 minutes, she should do 3 minutes and 5 minutes rest. The idea is not to feel tired. No pain should be there at all. And once you start following, most likely the pain will reduce within 5 to 6 days by 50-60%. And if you keep following it, within 2-3 months, she'll be fine. She won't need any help. She'll be independent completely. The pain may still remain 20-30% or 10%, but it will be bearable thing. And whatever deformity she might have, it will start improving very fast. I don't have much experience with this deformity, but arthritis, why I was asking, okay, you can ask her again. Did it start with the middle finger of the left hand? The stiffness or whatever arthritis was there?
Jimmy,
அண்ணா அண்ணா
அவனுக்கு வந்து எப்ப தண்ணி தண்ணி விட்டுறாரு வந்து பச்சை தண்ணி தான். எந்த கையில
சரி,
வந்து
இவர்கிட்ட என்ன நீ என்ன சொல்ற? ஆக்சுவலி கன்சல்டிங் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்களா?
இல்ல இல்ல, நான் உனக்கு சொல்றேன், அது ஒண்ணு அப்புறம் சொல்றேன்.
சரி, இப்ப என்ன சொல்றது அவர்கிட்ட?
பொறுமையா இரு, நீ பொறுமையா சொல்லு. எந்த ஃபிங்கர்ல வந்து உனக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு சொல்லிங்க.
எனக்கு வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஷோல்டர்ல 2011 மார்ச்ல ரைட் ஷோல்டர் பெயின் ஆச்சுன்னா
இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லிடுற அவர்கிட்ட. பிளஸ் ஃபிங்கர்ல வந்து எந்த ஃபிங்கர்ல, மிடில் ஃபிங்கரா அப்படிங்கறது பொறுமையா சொல்லு, சரியா?
இல்ல எனக்கு 10 விரலுமே வந்து இதாயிருச்சு. அது உண்மைதான் சொல்லணும் இப்ப அவர்கிட்ட.
ஆமாம், அவர்கிட்ட சொல்லிடு, ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை, சொல்லு, இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லு.
உண்மைதான் சொல்லணும்.
சொல்றேன்
சார். Sir, at the age of 20, sir, at 2011 March.
Yes.
In the right shoulder, I felt pain, sir. Right shoulder.
Okay.
At the age of 20, I had in the right shoulder I had a pain, sir. Then after I took a medicine for allopathy, sir. More than 4 years, sir. Then I changed in many medicines, sir. Allopathy, Siddha, homeopathy. Then my fingers, all 10 fingers, sir. All 10 fingers get swelling, inflammation, and slightly bending, sir. Right hand. My fingers are bent, sir.
Will your fingers will bend while you are sleeping, and while you are awake, the fingers will be less bent? When you sleep and when you get up?
Sorry to say that, sir. I can't say the right time, sir. But when I changed medicines, allopathy, then I gone for a Siddha, sir. Then I gone for homeopathy, then Ayurveda. So in that period of time, sir, my fingers are slightly bended. Then totally my right fingers are bended, sir. Left hand fingers are little bit okay, sir.
Okay. Anyway,
without her knowledge, slightly it happened very slowly.
Sir, after I came last 2 years, sir, no swelling, no inflammation, no pain, sir.
See, inflammation.
Only the stiffness only is there, sir.
See, you
Only
have to
stiffness is there, sir, in my body.
see. You have to understand one thing. Inflammation is part of life.
Okay, sir.
Everybody, a living being, has a continuous level of inflammation going inside the body. Without inflammation, you cannot survive few hours.
Okay, sir.
So it is, if they give too much of anti-inflammatory things, that will kill you. So any medicine in
Okay,
excess
sir.
without understanding what is it is bad for us. Anti-inflammatory thing, if you're not getting any inflammation and if you have arthritis, this is worse.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
One more thing, sir. Like recently, I had a chance to talk to her at some occasion, and she told in her schoolings she didn't go to the toilet or urine for the whole time when she was in the school, because she doesn't go to in the outside toilets in the school.
Hmm.
So then she go toilet only when she come back to the home.
that is not
Which
a
means
problem.
for 8 to 10 hours. I think, I don't know for how long she did this, but she said only in recently, because I talked to something else and I just asked that how her activities in the school. Just want to know that
No.
the origin where it started. Try to I understand, and she said that she didn't urinate for 8 hours for almost 2 to 3 years, right, Nimi?
See,
Hello?
as I understand, the best urine frequency is 3 to 4 times in a day. 24 hours, we should pass urine only 3 to 4 times. So even if she is not passing urine for 8 hours at a time, at a stretch, no problems. It is good.
Okay.
So that is not the concern. Concern is only something related with the fluid and other things. So just do it for 2 days, as I have suggested, and after 2 days, give me a feedback whether there is an improvement, whether she is sleeping more, whether she is feeling drowsy, or what is the level. So then we decide for the rest of the week. So once the 3 meals starts working, her energy level starts picking up, then we'll consider about 2 meals. And after the 2 meals are started, within 1 week's time, you will see a lot of improvement.
Okay, sir. And how about her stiffness in the fingers, sir? You seen that it will take some time to
See,
be normal?
one is stiffness, and second thing is the bending, deformities. So I have experience
Yeah.
only about the pain and the stiffness. I don't have any experience of deformities. Okay. So
Yeah.
far as her pain and inflammation is concerned, I think 50 to 60% will go within 1 week's time.
Okay, sir. So after 3 days, maybe if she start this the regular diet by tomorrow, then which means maybe I can call you on Monday, because Sunday is holiday. Maybe I can call you on Monday.
You can call on Sunday also. There is no holiday for me.
Okay, sir. Then we will. I ask her to follow these diets on 2 days from
Yes.
tomorrow, and then we can call you back on Sunday to show the progress or give the progress.
Yes. And whenever you feel like that she is comfortable and she is happy and she wants to do it faster, I can do it as fast as quick as that will shock you. Within 24 hours also a lot of things can be done. But I want to go slow. So I am not very sure about her
Yes,
status
sir.
of health. So I want to go slow. Once you tell me that we have to move fast, I'll move fast. Okay. So just let's
sir,
talk
that's
about
better.
let's talk on
Can-
Sunday. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And we can send you. You need the photos of the meals, sir. You want to send it
Yes.
by Sunday, or you want to do it
Today itself.
after the call?
Yeah, after the call. Whenever she is having a meal, she can send up 1 or 2 photographs. That's all. And about the hands also, whatever her problem in hands is there, she can send a photograph.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the time, sir. Then I can call you back on Sunday, sir.
Yes.
From this number.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for the time.